happy birthday, bebe. Lagi mong tandaan, andito lang si ate para sa'yo. Kahit malayo ako, alam mo yan, support kami. Kung anong mga gusto mong marating sa buhay, andito lang kami palagi.
Walked into the airport and bought a ticket at the counter and just flew. Spin the globe and close your eyes. I'll go anywhere it lands with you. Let's stop thinking about it. The world will go on without us. We'll disappear somewhere. If it's you and
Happy birthday, Princess Cecil! We love you!
Your own Mercedes, just wanna aim this, take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy, but so are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. Let's drive to Vegas. You've got that iPod from '06 with all the songs we know. Oh well, we blew the speakers. Gas station coffee in the console. Bare feet out the window.
Happy birthday, baby Cecil! Enjoy your day! More blessings to come!
And God bless!
Yay!
Just wanna pull you closer. This is what it's like to feel alive. Yeah, let's drive to Vegas. Your own Mercedes. Just wanna aim this, take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy, but so are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. Let's drive to Vegas. And while we're out there, we can see the Grand Canyon. It's been on my list since I was a
Enjoy
little
lang
kid.
ang life mo. And happy birthday. I wish ko sa'yo and good health and more birthday to come. I love you, be.
Let's drive to Vegas. Your own Mercedes. Just wanna aim this, take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy, so are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas. Let's drive to Vegas. I know I'm crazy, crazy about you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas.
Happy birthday, anak. Sana ngayong 18 ka na, karoon ka na ng isip, alagaan mo yung sarili mo, na dumating ang panahon na eto na. Alam mo na sana yung ano mo, yung dapat mong gawin. Pakabait ka, lalo na sa mga kapatid mo. Alam ko namang hindi ka nila pababayaan. Pakabait ka lang. Mahal na mahal kita.
Go where nothing keeps the air from rushing in. So my heart can
Kaya I pray na maranasan mo ang lahat ng mabubuting bagay mula sa ating Panginoon. God bless you, and I declare long and satisfied life. God bless.
Bagamat man hindi man tayo magkakasama sa isang bahay, may kanya-kanya na tayong pamilya. Andiyan pa din ang guardian mo, andiyan si Nana, andiyan si Sir Hep, handang gumabay palagi sa'yo. Pero nandito lang kami, bunso, kung ano man yung gusto mo marating. Nakasuporta kami, bunso, para sa'yo. At ito ay yung pamangkin, laging nakasuporta pa rin. Bunso, muli, happy birthday. I love you.
all that I need. Surrounded by the promises I know.
Sana maging mabuti kang anak, kapatid. Love you, baby.
Happy birthday, Bebe! Grabe, sobrang nakakakilig kasi 18 years old ka na, dalaga na ang aming baby, ang aming bunso, and I just always want you to be happy and enjoy life. Nandito lang kami, lagi nagsusuporta sa'yo bilang mga kapatid. And I just want you to be also successful sa buhay mo. And promise, hindi ka namin iiwan.
I can let go.